Today we're going to show you how to do one of the easiest interior mods in your F80 M3. Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. If you've been following along with my F80 M3 build, you'll know we did some interior mods. Now, one of the mods we did very early on, actually, was this piece of surround trim that's carbon fiber and Alcantara. You may have seen the video where we did the BMW OEM race wheel, which is also carbon fiber and Alcantara. And today, we're continuing that pattern, and we are adding the shift boot and shift handle, which, you guessed it, carbon fiber and Alcantara. One thing that I do want to point out is if you do happen to get one of these used, you want to make sure that it is for the F30 and F80 because they fit the F82 and also the F32. You don't want to get a GTS one or a CS one unless you have a GTS or a CS because the base of them is actually longer because they don't have this little compartment here. So just something we wanted to point out. Let's talk about how these are secured into the car. We'll show you how to remove it and how to install the new one. So here's a look at how this is secured in so you can see where all of the clips are. You will notice that there are these two pegs in the back and then these other clips which snap into place. So that tells us that when you install it, you install the back first and then clip it down. So to remove it, you need to lift it up front and then slide it out. Now the way that we're going to do this is I just take my hand like this and you're going to notice that there's a little bit of flex. So I pretty much go after this one first and I'm going to pull this in and then pop that up. Then I'm going to work my way around to the front, pop this, and then just keep working my way around the perimeter and it's going to pop them all out. And then we're going to slide it off. Now, before you get to that point, you need to release the actual handle. This is very easy to do. All you want to do is just grab the handle and you're going to take both thumbs and you're going to press on the button and you're going to pull up on the handle and that's just going to slide it out. So at this time, let's do that. Then as I was saying, you're going to want to get the clip that's right around this area. So to do so, I just get my hand and I just pull it in just like that and then work your way around to the front and then pop it out and then you can just slide it straight off just like that. Then as I was saying, you're going to want to get the clip that's right around this area. So to do so, I just get my hand and I just pull it in just like that and then work your way around to the front and then pop it out and then you can just slide it straight off just like that. All right, I'm just going to open this up so you can see what I'm doing, but basically, as I mentioned before, you want to get these two pegs and you want to put them there and then everything is just going to fall into place. So slide this on like this and then I'm going to click it into place, so just listen for that click. Okay, so it's really easy to do. And then you're going to take your pins in the back, you're going to slide them in and then just work your way down. And that's it, we're done. Easiest install besides the start-stop button. So as you can see, after about a minute of installing this, it looks phenomenal and it just matches so well with my interior. And before we end this video, I do want to say huge thanks to Tommy L Garage because he actually got this for me and he got me another present that we're going to be installing very soon. So if you haven't done so already, Tommy has an excellent F80 YouTube channel. We're going to link it below, but I've actually learned a lot of things from him for this car. So be sure to check out his channel because there's a lot you're going to learn from there as well. Anyway, if you're interested in one of these, we're going to have it linked down in the description. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.